What's going on there, y'all? Gonna be changing out the my bag speaker, my saddlebag speakers here today on my Harley Davidson Street Glide. I think the back two are blue. I'm gonna change them. I'm gonna let y'all hear it sound like these ones right here. I'm gonna change them out. Should be pretty quick, easy change. Quick, easy video. Try to do this real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these out real quick. These is pretty easy to change. I'm gonna hook it back up here. I thought it was just that. Here we go. Anyway, I had it on the hook at first though, but still not as loud as it was supposed to be. Don't got no bass coming at all, just all treble. So I'm pretty sure this thing is blown. All we gotta do here is 4 bolts here. 4 Phillips, and take all 4 of them out, put my new speaker in, hook back up my wires here, and I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, I got everything hooked up now. About to see what it sound like. Testing out this one speaker right here. Let's go ahead see what we got. Oh man, I can hear it already. Look, only thing I got to turn on is 4 right now. Last time I had a 25 and I couldn't hear that thing. Sounds a lot better. Oh man, what? That's just this one speaker right here too. Oh, getting it. That's good. Oh yeah, oh, she about to be ready, y'all. Hey, just that easy right there to change out the bags, speakers in the bags right there, y'all. Just that simple. I'm gonna go ahead change out both of them, man. Y'all hear what it sound like right now, man. I'm gonna y'all wait for the next video to actually do a full review of this thing, man, so y'all can hear all of it together. That's just the one speaker right there. That's how you change the speaker on the bag. She sounded good, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this thing up. Y'all wanna see some more? Y'all wanna hear some more? Just let me know, man. Leave it in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. It's a little short, quick video, but thank you for tuning in. Go on.